Okay, so I wanted to record a video just giving a couple examples here of truth tables. So the first example I'm going to go over is going to be this example here, which is not P and, in parentheses, if P then Q. Our goal is to create a truth table here and hopefully help you out if you are having trouble. So first, let's start with the variables P and Q. So in this example, we have two variables, P and Q. And our goal is to get this entire sentence, which means we need each part of the sentence. So let's first list out our combinations, which is true, so both of them true, both of them false, one true, one false, one true. These are all the combinations for P and Q. And we have a conjunction here. We have an and statement. So we have not P and this whole conditional. So let's first get the values for not P. So not P. Well, not P is just the opposite of P. So instead of true, true, false, false, we have the opposite. False, false, true, true. Okay, now, this last piece of the conjunction is the conditional. Let's copy that and put it right here. Now, this is only false, if you remember, when the antecedent is true and the consequent is false. Okay, so that is when P is true and Q is false. So P is true and Q is false. That's this situation right here. That's the only time in which this case is false. Put false there. Every other case, it's true. Okay, we're going to do that to be bold. Now we have not P and that whole statement. So that's a conjunction. And remember, conjunctions are true when both of the conjuncts are true, which means you need not P to be true, and you need that whole sentence to be true in order for this whole entire sentence here to be true. So let's see what I mean. So right now in this top one, not P is false. So we have false and, because of the conjunct here, false and true. Well, these are the two columns I'm focused on now. I'm not worried about any other column. These two would make false in this case. Let's center that. So it's false because we have false and true, right? And the conjunction means they need to both be true. Same here, false and false. That's false. True and true. That'll be true. True and true. That'll be true. This column right here, this is our final answer here. Let me put it in nice blue. This is the conclusion we draw from our original variables. So if the question asked, what situation is this sentence true, or in what situations, we say there are two situations. One where P is false and Q is true, and the other when P is false and Q is false. So this is the conclusion that we draw from all the truth table creation. This one's not too bad. I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to do the next one. And if you want to stay with me, keep going. Thanks.